YouTube demonetized and rejected my Faceless prayer channel for reused content just 3 days after being accepted into the YouTube partnership program. Honestly, I was shocked at first because this is a channel where there was no content that was being repeated. Yeah, so if you're out there, you are into the faceless niche, you either have an African folktale or maybe prayer video, bedtime story, and a lot of other faceless niches that warrant making use of AI voices or even the footage. Please try your best to make sure you pay attention, because what I'm about to share with you right now could save your channel a lot, whether you are monetized for a very long time or not. Just try to pay attention, okay? And with that much being said, let's get straight into the video. So here is exactly what happened. This Faceless Prayer YouTube channel is being managed by me, though it's owned by one of my students. So we've been posting on that channel for almost 2 months now, and as God may have it, about last week or 2 weeks ago, the channel officially got monetized. That is, we got the email that this channel is now eligible to earn, so we should apply and every other thing. So I'm going to be blocking some information because this person would love to keep the channel private. Okay, you know, if it is really mine, I'm going to show you guys every single thing. Okay, yeah. So after applying for the YouTube partnership program, we were fully accepted, and from this screen here you can see that we've even started setting up the AdSense information. In fact, it was accepted, every single thing was normal up until I think the third or the fourth day we got that email that this channel can no longer earn due to reused content, which is this particular thing here. When it came, I became confused because even before applying for YouTube partnership program, I made sure I audit the channel, checked out if there is anything like reuse there, but there was nothing. That was when I had to quickly make my research and we came up with a solution, which means to appeal. So here is the thing. Each time you receive this kind of email, it simply means that YouTube is giving you just one chance to appeal with a video. And what must that video contain? That video is more like you telling YouTube how you come about with your content. That is showing your real face, because YouTube wants to hear from you to know exactly how you come up with your script, how you come up with the image, the app you use to edit it. So all this vital information are basically what YouTube needs. And once you're done, what you have to do is to submit it to them, but not directly. I'm going to be explaining to us how you can be able to do this step by step the right way. And here is exactly what we did. After going through the whole violation stuff and we discovered it was a reused content, I told him that, okay, you're going to be making a video telling YouTube who you are and a lot of other details. So I would have loved to place the video here, but the person just wants to keep himself private. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to briefly tell you what the video should contain. Now, for example, let's assume that I am the one that actually own that channel. Okay, I'm just going to be using my own information. Yeah, so the very first thing you just need to do, I might be giving you the key guideline on the screen so that you can also follow. Okay, yeah. Now the first thing first is to introduce yourself. Hi YouTube, my name is Chuku Joy Chamaka, which is obviously my name, and I am the creator behind this channel. You mentioned the channel name. Yeah, then after that, under information you have to also give them is, this is exactly how I come up with my script. So if you're using ChatGPT to generate your script, let YouTube know. Then after that, you can go ahead to tell YouTube how you generate your audio, either from 11 Labs or from any website at all you use. Just let YouTube know. Then after that, you head over straight to tell YouTube itself how you come up with your video thumbnail, how you even edit the video itself. Okay, so all this important information, they are all what YouTube wants, and if you're able to like come up with it, then I'm going to be explaining to us very soon the next step to take. Yeah, so after being able to tell YouTube, okay, my name is Chukwujai Chamaka, I am the creator behind this channel, and this is the channel link and every other stuff. So the key point of this whole thing is that we're very honest with how we create our video, giving YouTube all the important details. Now, one mistake you must not make is trying to like hide some information. It might affect your channel, because one thing is you are not posting the video to the public, you are sending it to the YouTube officials. It's a human being that is going to go through your video and finally remove the reuse content claim on your channel. So you have to try your best to present the video the best way you can, and it shouldn't be more than at least 3 minutes. The one we did was just 2 minutes 30 seconds or 2 minutes 40 seconds. Yeah, so after being able to give YouTube all this detailed information, now mind you, you must also display it on the screen, how you generate and do everything down to the text aspects. That is how you come up. In fact, I'm just sharing with us every single thing we did that made YouTube to respond to us within 7 hours. Yeah, so after being able to come up with a video, the next thing is to properly edit it in your own way with your CapCut as usual. Then after that, what you have to do next is head over straight to your YouTube channel, the same YouTube channel you use in posting those your video. Now you are going to be uploading this video, but mind you, you're not going to be posting the video like the normal way you upload videos on your channel. You're going to post it as an unlisted video. This way only you and anybody you decide to give her that video link to can view the content. Nobody can view it apart from you and maybe from the YouTube officials that you're going to be sending the video link to through the appeal box. So after posting that video as unlisted, the next thing you need to do, you wait for the video to finally process and upload on your channel. Then what you have to do is to copy the link of that particular video. Now when you copy the link, go back to that place where you have that reuse content claim on your YouTube studio. Now when you click on it, you're going to see this option that says start appeal. What you just need to do is to go ahead and click on the start appeal. Now once you click on the start appeal, you're going to be seeing this empty box for you to place the link of that your video that you copied. Now you might just paste it direct and it will be rejecting it, which is showing that red sign, but do not panic. Instead, try to, if possible, write them one after the other. You might maybe copy the link and paste it somewhere in your phone and be writing it one after the other before you get to the 10th or 15th or 20th digit of the words. They are going to finally accept it, and what you just need to do is to submit. So once you have successfully clicked on that submit icon, then you're going to get this particular notification next, which is your appeal is under review. You get a response within 14 days. This was exactly what we got that morning around 10 o'clock after doing this whole thing, and I was surprised by evening, exactly 5 minutes past 5, I got that email that it has been accepted. And after the whole thing, we got back this particular congrats, you are now a YouTube partner, and also you have unlocked new ways to earn. So that was how we were able to appeal and got this channel back, that is got the monetization back. Now most of us might be wondering, okay, why exactly did YouTube tag this channel as, or the content as, a reuse content? I've been able to explain it earlier on. If you notice, during the YouTube July 15th update that they released this year, I don't know if this actually happens to Faceless channels as of then. Maybe if you're monetized before now, you can let us know if you actually experienced this particular thing, because there's still one of my other students that also faced this particular thing, same thing. Yeah, and that channel also has not uploaded has not uploaded a content twice before. So the thing is, as a faceless creator, it depends on your niche. So let me use that our prayer niche for example. You know, you make use of the same background, most times it's even the same voice, the same AI voice you use for that particular video. Yeah, so the fact that you're using the same background, the same voice, the same text to speech, and a lot of other similar stuff, that is why YouTube sees it as a reused content. And you have to come out with your face to clear YouTube that, oh, this is not a reused content. This is how I legitly get all my video scripts, and this is how I come up with my videos and upload them on my YouTube channel. So it's as simple as that. Now if you say, oh Princess, how do I stay safe, or how do I avoid this particular thing from happening to my channel, the only thing I can say is if you can possibly use your own original voice to make your videos, then you can be safe. Or maybe if you're not going to be repeating the same thumbnail. And also, I mustn't forget, please and please, if you are in this Faceless YouTube channel, try your best to avoid reuse content. Yes, you know there's what we call reuse content. Some of us, for the fact that we posted this particular prayer video and oh my god, it performed so well, we'll go ahead and use the same script to produce another video. That is a big reused content. So if you are indulging in such and YouTube finally maybe gives you that content violation, which is the reused content claim, even after submitting your video, you might also face another penalty. That is why you have to be very, very careful. Stop going ahead to popular bigger YouTubers, copying their description and pasting it on your own channel, words for words. No. If possible, edit it your own way. Change the Bible verses. And same thing applies to the African folktale niche. So if you're out there and maybe YouTube ever gives you this reuse content stuff, what you just need to do not panic, because let me be honest, I was panic, I was shocked because this is not my niche and this would be my first time of ever undergoing such. So I was really really scared. But when it comes to your own case, do not be scared. Okay, what you just need to do is to calm down, bring out yourself, be honest to the last, as long as you know that your channel is not experiencing anything reused. And also, before you go ahead to start apply for monetization, you by yourself edit that channel. If there is any similar description, go ahead and tweak them so that you know that okay, on my own end there is no stain, yeah, before going ahead to apply, so that at the end of the day, even if YouTube finally tells you okay, the content is still reused, then you can now come up to explain yourself. And believe me when I say, after 24 hours or 2 days, yours might take longer, but the good news is that it's going to be accepted. Then if it wasn't accepted, so you're going to know the next step to take, because YouTube will still let you know. Okay, yeah, so thank you so much for watching this particular video. Yeah, so if you have any question, kindly do it to the comment section and let me know. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.